Yes. Now we are explaining all these steps into the form of nitrogen cycle diagram. So what we are doing in that all the steps? We have seen that the nitrogen is present 78% in atmosphere. Okay, so we have three methods by which we can convert this nitrogen into nitrate. What are the three methods are there? First by lightning, second by leguminous plants, third by fertilizers. How we can say that? So first of the method is of lightning. When lightning was caused in our atmosphere, it causes very high temperature in our atmosphere. So the nitrogen and oxygen which is present over in the atmosphere, they can combine with each other and they can form oxides of nitrogen. These oxides of nitrogen can combine with rainwater and convert into dilute nitric acid. These dilute nitric acid come into the soil, and in the soil some alkalis are present. They can convert this nitric acid into nitrate. So in this step we have seen the nitrogen is converted into nitrate by lightning. In the second one, leguminous plant, we have seen that one of the leguminous plants are there, such like pea, beans, etc. In that plant root nodules, one nitrogen fixing bacteria is present. What is the name of that nitrogen fixing bacteria? That is rhizobium. What is the role of rhizobium bacteria? Rhizobium bacteria can convert this atmospheric nitrogen into nitrate. Okay, so they had also completed and they are also converted into nitrate. And the third one is of by fertilizers. We can spread out the fertilizers in the soil and it convert into nitrate. So this one is a procedure. So this complete our first step, conversion of nitrogen into nitrate. So nitrogen fixation is what? The nitrogen converted into nitrate. That is process is called our nitrogen fixation. Now what happened? Nitrate is there in the soil. Now these nitrates are absorbed by plants, and these plants can convert this nitrate into plant proteins. Okay, so these plant proteins are eaten by any of the cow, or these cow are eaten by any of the carnivores. So what happened in this process? The conversion of nitrate into proteins, that is our second step, assimilation. So what we are saying, that the conversion of nitrate into proteins, that is called our nitrogen assimilation. So this happened, cow is eaten and that the cow has been eaten by the carnivores. So that process is called our nitrogen assimilation. Now when the animals and plant waste are lying over on the land for so many time, for a long period of time, so the some decay bacteria act on dead remains of plants and animals with an animal waste. What they do? They can convert these proteins into ammonia and ammonia compound. So this process is called our ammonification. So in ammonification, what happened? Protein is to be converted into ammonia and ammonium compound. This process is called ammonification. So now ammonia had made. Some of the ammonia had taken by plants directly, and some of the ammonia had to be converted into nitrates by nitrifying bacteria which is present in the soil. So the conversion of ammonia into nitrate, that is called our nitrification. Okay, that is called our nitrification. Now nitrate again has to be made in the soil. Some of the nitrate is absorbed by the plants, and rest of the nitrate by the help of denitrifying bacteria in the soil, again it goes back into the atmosphere. So this is called our denitrification. So what happened in the denitrification process? Again this nitrate is the conversion into nitrogen. So this process is called our denitrification. This one is a whole step, whole cycle by which we can see our nitrogen cycle. Thank you.